In this video, we're going to be finding the matrix B for this matrix with respect to this basis. So to get started, what we need to do, the formula for B is s to the negative 1 as. So in this case, s is going to be equal to 1, 2, 1, 1. And s negative 1 is going to be equal to, let's see, actually do this. So there's a formula for the determinant, or for the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. It's 1 over the determinant, determinant of s, times negative, or just dA, so this is a D, negative B, negative C. So this is just a formula for finding the determinant, or the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So in this case, it's going to be, the determinant is just going to be negative 1, because it's 1 minus 2. Then, yeah, and the determinant is just AD minus BC, just to make that clear. And then we're just going to flip these ones, so these actually don't change, but then these are becoming negative, which is kind of cool. So s to the negative 1 is just going to be negative 1, 1, 2, negative 1. So, yeah, awesome. Now we have s. So now this just kind of comes down to being matrix multiplication and not messing that up. So, in this case, we're going to have 1, 1, 2, negative 1. Then our a is 0, 1, 2, 3, and then our s is just 1, 1, 2, 1. Great. So now we're just going to do some matrix multiplication. Just a reminder, you look at this, and then you look at this, and you dot them together. So you kind of look at the first row, and then you dot it with the first column and the second column, and you look at the second row, dot it with the first column and the second column. So in this case, we're going to get 0 plus 2. Then we're going to get negative 1 plus 2. Then we're going to get 0 minus 2. Then we're going to get 2 minus 3. That's going to be negative 1. Then we're going to multiply by this term now, or this matrix over here. And what we're going to get is, so this is going to be 2, so 2 plus 4, so this is going to be 6, and this is all equal to B. So B is going to be equal to this new matrix. So where was I? 6, then 4, then negative 2 minus 2, so this is going to be negative 4 over here. And then this is going to be negative 2 minus 1, that's just going to be negative 3. So, great. So, this is the B matrix. So this is us taking this matrix and putting it with respect to this basis over here. So, yep. That's how you find the B matrix.